Hey Soumya, why do we have to consume green tea?
So why we need to take green tea? Because green tea is having its chemical composition, like it's having a very good source of vitamin C, valine, arginine, polyphenol, and flavonoids, and even it's having a glutamic acid, tryptophan, etc. Because of all this excellent chemical composition, green tea is considered as a very good antioxidant. And not only antioxidant, even it's having many properties like anti-inflammatory, anti-aging, anti-cancerogen, etc. Not only that, even it's going to increase our iron absorption. And why we take green tea? Because in these days, we all like from the small kid to the older people, everyone are suffering from communicable or a chronic disorder, etc. Only because by increasing oxidative stress inside our body. So how to reduce this oxidative stress? So one thing, you need to consume any fruits and veggies which is having good amount of antioxidant, and even a drinks. So one among that drinks is a green tea. So when we consume a green tea, the green tea is going to subside your oxidative stress, and even it's going to eradicate the free radical which is happening inside our body. Now, each and every meal when we consume, a set of free radicals is going to be produced inside our body. So when we consume a green tea, that's also going to be taken care, and we can be healthy by not getting affected by these free radicals, or even by any negative impact on our oxidative stress inside our body. So kindly consume our green tea too. So as I mentioned that from our company, we are having three different flavor green tea. So today, now I'm discussing regarding honey lemon. Why we need to consume this flavor? Because lemon, as it is, it's having a very good source of vitamin C, polyphenol, tryptophan, and the flavonoids. So all these are a very powerful antioxidants. So as it is, a green tea is a very good antioxidant. About this flavor is also that's going to boost up more antioxidant. So the people who are suffering from antioxidative stress disorders, they can consume this to reduce this oxidative stress and to have a healthy lifestyle. So now the last flavor from our company green tea is ginger honey. So why we need to consume ginger honey flavor means ginger, it's have very powerful antioxidant. Why? Because it's having a nutrient content like gingerol, and it's a very powerful antioxidant. And in the olden age, the ginger is used as a medicinal purpose, not only to treat oxidative stress related disorders, even it's for many this is like nausea, vomiting, and all these things. And even this is going to increase your digestive power. So as it is, antioxidant, it's a very powerful thing, and as it is, the ginger is having this flavor, is going to increase your digestive power, and it's going to reduce the free radical, and it's going to lead to have your healthy lifestyle. Kindly enjoy this flavor. Thank you.
Thank you, Soumya, for sharing the information regarding green tea and explaining the benefits of green tea. To purchase a product, kindly go to our website. Thank you.